Hi, my name is Constanza.carvacho, and here at Shopperize we are very happy to welcome you to our first video series about comparison shopping services. In this video, we're going to see how to set our Merchant Center account in order to switch our CSS provider from Google Shopping CSS to Shopperize CSS. So how do we start? It's very easy. First, we go to our Merchant Center, right? merchants.google.com. After logging in, we're going to see our overview. The overview of our Merchant Center will show you at the top right corner, we can see our merchant ID, the name of our shop, the email account associated with it, and here we'll show you who is our current CSS provider. So here it says, you are using this comparison shopping service, CSS, to place shopping ads on Google general search results pages in the European Economic Area and Switzerland. We have Google by default, so this is what we want to change now. And how are we going to do it? Very easy. We click on the little tool, settings, and we go to account access. Here we can see what are the users that have access to our account. So we're going to add a new user. Let's say we want to advertise in the UK. So we're going to go to shopperize.co.uk. Add user. And here we're going to choose the kind of access that we want to give them, admin access and standard access. Then all the rest remains the same and we add user. Now we can see that it has changed. It says css.kiesproduct.nl. Well, this is completely normal. From now on, is our part. We will send you a DocuSign contract with all the information and conditions you might want to know. After you have signed, the vinculation process starts to happen. While this is going on, there's no downtime on your campaigns. And when this is done, your trial period will start. So remember, you won't lose any control over your campaigns. They remain under your management and you will come to the same Merchant Center account to change anything. And from this moment, you start to benefit from the 20% discount in your ad spend or 20% advantage in your bid. This first part of the vinculation process can be ready in the same day. Once this is completed, you're going to receive a confirmation email letting you know about this. Next, for your feed, this can take a couple more days to be up. So then you will see yourself in our comparison shopping website, Shopperize. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. It's our interest in Shopperize that a collaboration with us will bring great benefits to your business and to your webshop. That's why if you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are happy to help you and we are happy to be of service to you. So have a beautiful day. We keep in touch and see you soon. Bye.